Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked French baguettes, and they are easier to make than you might think. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making easy homemade French baguettes with just a few simple ingredients. Start by adding the flour and salt to your mixing bowl. Give them a quick stir so the yeast won't come into direct contact with the salt. Add the yeast. Place the bowl on your mixer. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix. Then slowly pour in the warm water. Make sure it's not too cold or too hot. Cold water can slow the rise, while the hot water can damage the yeast. Mix everything until you have a smooth, firm dough. It should be soft and elastic, but not runny. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise for about 40 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, transfer it to your work surface and gently flatten it into a rectangle. Fold one side towards the center. Then fold the other side over it. Next, fold the top towards the middle. Then the bottom, creating a neat little package. Cover it again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Now divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. We made 4 smaller baguettes so they fit across our baking tray, but you can also make 2 longer ones if you prefer. Lightly flour your work surface and shape each piece into a baguette. Try to keep the surface nice and smooth without visible seams. That helps the baguettes expand evenly while baking instead of splitting unexpectedly. Place the baguettes onto a lined baking tray. Using a sharp knife or a bread lamb, score the tops with a few shallow cuts. Cover them one last time and let them rise while the oven finishes preheating. Place an oven-safe dish filled with water in the oven, then preheat it to 465 degrees. When it's fully preheated, bake the baguettes for about 20 minutes. Every oven is different, so keep an eye on them towards the end. Look at that beautiful golden color. Transfer the baguettes to a cooling rack so air can circulate underneath and keep the crust nice and crisp. Just look at the crispy crust and the soft, airy crumb inside. That's exactly what you want in homemade French baguette. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Food Recipes and share it with someone who loves fresh homemade bread. Thanks for watching.